channel. My name is Trang and I love to sew so much. If you're new, today we're going to be making a circle skirt. Because what kind of sewing channel would I be if I didn't have a classic circle skirt tutorial? My shirt is supposed to be worn like this, but it keeps flopping up like this. That's better. I feel very classy. So today I am using this bed sheet. Today I am using a bed sheet for this tutorial, which is super cool, and I cut the bed sheet into 1/4. I cut the bed sheet into 1.5 yards times 1.5 yards, so it's a square now. And I also pre-cut a sash of fabric that is 3 inches wide and 1.5 yards long. And for this tutorial, you're going to need that fabric, and you're going to need some elastic, some colored string, or if you want to be a little eccentric, you don't have to. And you're going to need scissors. And you're also going to need a sewing machine. Of course, you could try to hand sew it, but sewing machines are just so easy to use, and you should really invest in one if you don't already have one. I got mine at Walmart for 60 bucks, and I made so many clothes with it. It's really repaid me back. So today we're going to make the circle skirt. So we have a new background also. I'm getting professional. I'm ramping up the production quality of my videos. I'm doing well. How are you doing? Are you doing okay? I hope you are. I hope you're thriving. And I hope that you're having the best day ever, because everyone deserves to have the best day ever every day. So if you're having the best day ever, let me know. And if you're not, then I hope you do one day. So I'm going to fold my fabric in half. So it's going to be 1.5 yards by 0.75 yards. And now that I have the exact length of my waist, I'm going to pull the elastic in by taking 2 inches off the elastic. So this is one end of my elastic and this is the other point of end. And I'm just going to pull the point here about 2 inches down like so. And I'm going to cut. So it's about the length of my waist minus 2 inches. And the purpose of doing that is that your elastic is really the thing that holds your skirt up. So you want it to be tight on you so that, you know, it's really easy for the elastic to kind of cinch your waist and pull the fabric up so that your fabric doesn't like fall down, you know. Next, I'm going to fold my elastic. So like so. I folded it once, and now I'm going to fold it again. Like so. And then I'm just going to take a clip so that it stays all together. Good. Then I'll take my fabric. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the corner that has no edge, which is this corner, and it doesn't have an edge, meaning it doesn't have like an end to it. Like so. And then with the edge, with the corner that has no edges, I'm going to kind of measure an arc around here, like so. And I'm going to use the elastic I just folded. So I'll mark points all around here. This is a lot like geometry class. I loved geometry so much. I was so good at geometry in high school. Just showing off my intellect. See what I did? Okie dokie. That was weird. Okie doke. Now I'm going to cut off this piece right here. Now I'm going to unfold it. And as you can see, it's like a little circle here. This is so weird! And it's right in the middle of the square. And if you did it correctly, you should be able to get into it, like so. Next, I'm going to cut the bottom of my skirt. So, I'm going to take my fabric and fold it into a little square again. If I had only learned the words. It's so hard to sing. It's so hard to sing well all the time. And you can cut it as short as you want or as long as you want. But I have a pretty big butt. That's something that not a lot of people know about me. So I'm going to make mine a little long so I can be very conservative in the skirt. One day I hope to make enough money that I can buy like a proper table to show you guys how to cut. But I'm sorry, like I'm poor and this is as professional as I can go. But one day that will happen. One day I believe in myself. I believe in my dreams. And one day I hope to get a proper scissor as well. One day. This is taking forever. I should play music. I will always love you. I will always love you. Should I start a Patreon to get like a proper table and scissors? I don't know. This is what dreams are made of. Somewhere in the clouds, somewhere I can find. You guys know that YouTube channel, Primitive Technology? I kind of feel like the fashion version of that channel. I'm like struggling so hard for something that should be simple. But we did it. We suffered and we succeeded. And that's a metaphor for life. If you didn't know already. Okay. What's my next step? I'm gonna start sewing. So the first thing I'm going to do, just because this is the easiest thing to do, I'm just going to do it first. I'm going to hem the bottom of the skirt. And hemming, if you don't already know, it's just when you, it's really simple. You just pull the fabric over about 1 centimeter to an inch, it doesn't really matter. And you just sew where the fabric overlaps. And it's that simple. Somewhere I know how. This is what dreams are made of. Somewhere in the clouds, somewhere I know how. This is what dreams are made of. The next thing I'm going to do is take my ribbon and fold it in half like so, and then sew where the ends meet. Then I'm going to sew my ribbon all around my skirt, like so. And the ribbon is longer than the skirt, and we want it to be that way because we're also going to cut the ribbon later. So I'm going to sew all around and then leave 2 inches where it's not sewed, and then we'll deal with that. Yeah. So I'm just going to sew the edges like this, and then when I flip it up, the strings will be on the inside and they won't show, and on the outside there will just be a little cute thing here. So I have reached the end, and this is what I have left of the ribbon, and all I'm going to do is cut it just like right here. Then I'm going to take my elastic and I'm going to put a safety pin on one end of my elastic. I'm going to put it all the way in my band. And the elastic is shorter than the band, so you're going to have to, you know, have a little ribby things here. That voice kind of freaks me out. My voice. Okay. But yeah, super simple. And then I'm going to sew the ends of the elastic. Once I wrap the elastic all around the band, I'm going to sew it together. Together, we're so much better. Together. Yay, I have my band all complete. And now I'm just going to try to sew the fabric here together. And first I'll do that by sewing the ends here together. It's pretty tricky, but we can do it. Yay, I sewed the ends together, and now I'm just going to sew this part to the skirt. And we're complete! How cute is this? It's super duper cute. And just to make it super duper durable, I'm going to zigzag where the band and the skirt meet. And other than that, I'm going to model it for you guys. And this is super cute and I'm super happy. And I really hope you guys try it because it's super easy. Yes, and that's all. And thank you, honeys, for watching my channel. And I love you so much. Bye-bye.